जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय द्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंद जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद ओ जय द्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंद जय जय गौर सुंदर जय जय श्री गौर सुंदर सर्व प्राण ओ जय नित्यानंद अद्वैतेर प्रेम धाम बोलो जय जय श्री गौर सुंदर सर्व प्राण जय नित्यानंद अद्वैतेर प्रेम धाम from Sri Chaitanya Bhagavad Srila Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahashaya Madhya Khanda chapter 7. All glories to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is everyone's pran. How many of you say that Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is my pran? Sarva pran. And Jai Nityananda Prabhu, Jai Advaitera Prema Dham. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the Prema Dham, is the life and soul of Advaita Chandra and Nityananda Prabhu, and also Nityananda Prabhu and Advaita Prabhu are Prem Dham, they are abodes of love. He namate navadvip Shri Gauranga Raya Oh Nityananda Sangye Ranga Karaye Sadaya He namate, in this way Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was living in Navadvip in Bengal 500 years ago. Shri Gauranga Raya was living in Navadvip with whom? Nityananda Sangye, with Shri Nityananda Mahaprabhu and Ranga Karaya Sadaya. Ranga means loving pastimes. And all day long they would have wonderful pastimes. Nityananda Prabhu and Shri Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Advaita Laya Samo Vaishnava Mandala Oh Mahanritya Geeta Kare Krishna Kola Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taking Shri Nityananda Prabhu with him and Shri Advaita Prabhu with him and Sabha Vaishnava Mandal, all the Gaur Bhakta Vrinda with him, Mahanritya Geeta Kare. They would do amazing Harinam Sankirtan and dancing Krishna Kolahal. And they would do loud Krishna Sankirtan together. Nritya Kari Uthiyama Sila Gauranaya Pundarika Bapa Bali Tande Umaraya. One day in Srivasangan, where? What is this? Haribol. One day in Srivasangan, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was doing Kirtan with Nityananda Prabhu, Advaita Prabhu and all the Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. And suddenly Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu started saying, Father Pundarik, Father Pundarik, Father Pundarik, and started crying. Sri Chaitanya started crying in ecstasy, calling out, my Father Pundarik, my Father Pundarik. Pundarika re mora bapare madhure Tabe to ma dekhi pare re bapare Haribol. Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is crying, oh Pundarik, my dear father, my dear friend. Because after the age of 15, the father becomes a friend. Go on, at least supposed to be friend. After the age of 15, the child becomes the father's friend. So he's saying, Bapare, my father, and Bandhu, you are my friend also. Shri Chaitanya was telling Pundarik Vidyanidhi. Kabe toma Pundarika re mora Bapare Bandhu re Kabe toma dekhi pare re Bapare. When will I see you? He's crying. My dear Pundarik, my dear father, my dear friend, when will I see you? Everybody say, Pundarik, when will I see you? Pundarik, when will I see you? Prabhu je karana kore, tar naam laiya. Prabhu je karana kore, tar naam laiya. Bhakta saba ke hakiku, Prabhu je hakika. See Chaitanya Mahaprabhu doing Krandan. Krandan means crying for taking the name Namalaya, taking the name of Pundarik. Pundarik, where are you? Pundarik, my father, where are you? Mahaprabhu is crying. Seeing this, all the devotees are not able to understand who is this Pundarik. We know Nityananda, we know Advaita Chandra, we know Srivas Thakur, we know his brother Srimati Srinidhi, we know Murari Gupt, we know Shivananda Sen, we know all these devotees, but Pundarik? We have never heard of Pundarik. Kichu na bujhe, nobody will understand who is this Pundarik. Saba bole Pundarika, palena Krishna re. Oh, Vidyanidhi naam shuni, sabai vichare. Initially all the devotees thought, oh, Pundarik, Pundarik is Krishna's name. Oh, apavitra, pavitro va. सर्वावस्थां गतोऽपि वा यः स्मरेत् पुण्डरीकाक्षं स भायावन्तरः शुचिः. Shri Vishnu, Shri Vishnu, Shri Vishnu. Pundarikaksha is the name of Krishna. Pundarik means lotus. Pundarikaksha means Krishna with lotus eyes. Maybe he is calling out to Krishna. Pundarik, Pundarik. Oh, but he is saying Pundarik Vidyanidhi. Who is this Vidyanidhi? Everybody is wondering. Sabe vichar. We are all asking and thinking, who is this Vidyanidhi? कोना प्रिय भक्त इहा सबे बुद्धि लेना ओ भय हइले प्रभु ताने सबे बलि लेना. The devotees are thinking, who is this Priya Bhakta? Who is this dear devotee of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu that Mahaprabhu is remembering in the Sankirtan, calling out his name, Pundarik Vidyanidhi, Pundarik Vidyanidhi, and crying, who is this devotee? Bahaya Haile. After some time, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to his Bahaya Dasha, his external consciousness, and then Prabhu Sthane Sabe Balinan. Then all the devotees came to Mahaprabhu and spoke to Mahaprabhu when Mahaprabhu came to external consciousness. Kona Bhakta Lagi Prabhu Karah Pradana. O Satyama Sabha Prati Karah Pradana. ये कौन विशेष भक्त है जिसका नाम ले लेकर आप फुट फुट कर रो रहे हो? पुंडरीक विद्यानिधि. कौन है भक्त? Please tell us the truth. Who is this devotee whose name you are taking repeatedly and crying? Pundarik Vidyanidhi, Pundarik Vidyanidhi. Who is this devotee? Please tell us the truth. Prabhu बोले तुम्हारा सकल भाग्यवान. ओ सुनीते है लागिच्छा तारा अज्ञान. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told all the devotees, dear devotees, you are all very bhagyavan, very fortunate. Why Mahaprabhu? Because Shunite Haila Ichha Tahara Akhyam, because today you have developed a desire to hear about Sri Pundarik Vidyanidhi, therefore you are fortunate. Hari Bol! You are asking me who is Pundarik Vidyanidhi? You are fortunate because today you have developed a desire to hear about Pundarik Vidyanidhi. Now all the devotees are really eager. Who is this Pundarik Vidyanidhi? Parama Adbhuta Tara Sakala Charitra. O Tara Nama Shravane O Samsara Pavitra. Bola Jaya Jaya Shri Chaitanya Jaya Nityananda. Jaya Dvaita Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Dear devotees, what can I tell you about Pundarik Vidyanidhi? He has got Adbhut Charitra. He has got most wonderful characteristic. See all the my Ganga ji. She is Krishna's Charanamrut. She is Bhagavati Ganga. She is dear devotee of Krishna. Why should people spit in Ganga? Why should people put their feet in Ganga? Why should people rinse their mouth in Ganga? Clean their teeth in Ganga? And why should they throw their hair in Ganga? He doesn't like all that. ए सकल देखिया पाए न मने व्यथा एते के देखे न गंगा अंशाय सर्वथा. Because it doesn't want to see all this anachar in Ganga, all these bad activities in Ganga, therefore he goes at night when there is nobody there. Hari Bol, everybody is sleeping and he goes to Ganga to take darshan of his beautiful Ganga. Only at night. Ete ke dekhe na Ganga nishaya sarvata. Always he goes at night. Nisha means night. Vichitra vishwasara ekashuna tana. देवार्चन पूर्वे करे गंगा जल पान. Vichitra Vishwas, and this Pundarik Vidyanidhi is a unique sample. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Vichitra Vishwas, he has a different type of Vishwas, faith. What does he do? If you see the Archana Paddhati, Ramya Shubhangata Mataji, now suppose we have to do puja, Mataji goes on the altar in the temple, our temple, Radha Madan Mohan temple. Before you enter the altar, can you drink water and go? No, we take a bath, we wear fresh clothes, and we just do Achaman and enter for purification. But Pundarik Vidyanidhi had such faith in Gangaji's purity that before doing Devarchana, before doing Archana, Devarchana, worshipping puja, he would do Ganga Jalapan. He would drink a glass of Ganga Jal. Now I am purified. Now that I have drunk a glass of Ganga water, my body is purified. Now I can go. For him, his Achaman was good to drink a glass of Ganga Jal. So very carefully he would fill Ganga Jal and bring, and he would drink it before doing puja. Hari Bol. Vaishnava Kriya Mudra, Vigyana Bhuja. It's not possible to. Huh? What? It's okay. Now let's just focus on the Katha. Forget about recording and everything. Let's focus on the Katha. So he would drink a glass of water of Ganga before doing puja, thinking that that will purify him. Tabe se kare na puja adi nitya karma. Iha sarva panditere pujaye na dharma. And these habits of Pundarik Vidyanidhi, these activities, drinking glass of water before going on the altar, even the Pandits in Chhattigram, they cannot understand. And they consider him to be unique sample. Chhattigram mein ache nae thaya badiya che. Rasi bena samprati de kiva kichu pache. Pundarik Vidyanidhi lives in Chhattigram and he has a big mansion there. He has a nice big house there, very luxurious house. But very soon in the future, he will come to Navadvip to meet all of us. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is telling, Tare jhata ke hai chinit na pariba. Dekhile vishay matra jnan se kariba. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is giving a warning to all the devotees. When Pundarik Vidyanidhi comes to Navadvip, you may think him to be a Vishayi, a sense gratifier. You might think that he's a very mundane, materialistic sense gratifier. Be careful, huh? This devotee is very advanced. But you may think he's a materialistic man. Tare na dekhiya ami swasti nahi paaye. Sabe tare akarshiya naha mithai. Dear devotees, I cannot live without Pundarik Vidyanidhi. Can all of you do me a favor? Sabe tare akarshiya. All of you pray and attract Pundarik Vidyanidhi here. Because I cannot live without him. I want to meet him. Come on, everybody, can you pray that Pundarik Vidyanidhi comes here to Navadvip? Mahaprabhu is telling. Kahi tara katha prabhu avishtaila. Oh, Pundarika Bapa Bali Kandite Lagila. In this way, glorifying Pundarik Vidyanidhi in front of all the devotees, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was overwhelmed with love. And again he started saying, Pundarik Bapa Moram, Pundarik my dear father, Pundarik my dear father. And he started crying, Kandite Lagila, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Hari Bol. Ishwarera akarshana haila tar prati. O Navadvipe asite tahara haila mati. Very important verse. Please take a photo of this. Very, very important. Srila Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahashaya is saying, Ishwarera akarshana haila tara prati Navadvipe asite tahara haila mati. Because Ishwar Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was attracted to Pundarik Vidyanidhi, and because Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wanted to see Pundarik Vidyanidhi, Navadvipe asite tahara haila mati. Pundarik Vidyanidhi developed a desire. I want to go to Navadvip. Let's go to Navadvip. So my dear friends, Prabhus, When your wife says, I want to go to Vrindavan, don't oppose. Maybe Radharani is calling. Srila Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahashaya is saying that Pundarik Vidyanidhi suddenly developed a desire to go to Navadvip. Why? Because Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wanted to see him. Ishwarera Akarshana Haila Taraprati. Because Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was attracted to Pundarik Vidyanidhi, Navadvipe Asite Tahara Hailamati. He developed a desire to go to Navadvip. Jaya Jaya Sri Chaitanya Jaya Nityananda. Oh, Jaya Dvaita Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Let's go to Navadvip. Aneka Sevaka Sange Aneka Samhara. Aneka Brahmana Sange Shishya Bhaktatara. Haribol. Now Pundarik Vidyanidhi was not like us. One cabin bag and we go, and one laptop bag. Aneka Sevaka Sange, he had many servants. A rich man, Pundarik Vidyanidhi. Very affluent. He had many servants with him. Aneka Sambhar, lot of paraphernalia. Aneka Brahmana Sange, there were Brahmanas doing Swasti Vachan, chanting mantras with him. And Shishya, he had many disciples. Shishya Bhaktatar, they were his disciples, they were his followers, well-wishers. He had a big group of people following behind him. Pundarik Vidyanidhi entered Navadvip. Haribol. Asiya rahila Navadvipe gud roope. O param bhogira pray sarva loke dekhe. He came to Navadvip and he did not need a motel, no hotel, no Airbnb. He had a vacation home in Navadvip. He had two homes, one in Chhattigram and one in Navadvip. So he came to his own mansion, which was being maintained by many servants. Everything was spick and span, fountains, gardens, lawn, nice, freshly painted house, mansion. Pundarik Vidyanidhi comes and started living there Guda Rupe, not mingling with other people. He was just minding his own business, living in his mansion. Parama Bhogira Praya. Praya means just like, as if he was a Parama Bhogi. Bhogi means sense gratifier. And Parama Bhogi means extravagant sense gratifier. Haribol. He was extravagant sense gratifier. Pundarik Vidyanidhi. Sarva loke dekhe. Everybody noticed. His servants would go to the marketplace. Sabji chahiye. नहीं, ये नहीं. Top quality. पुंडरिक विद्यानिधि को चाहिए. Best quality. ये नहीं. Top quality. Export quality है क्या? Export quality के दो. Best mangoes, best coconuts, everything. Servants would go to the market to shop. We want to buy dhoti for Pundarik Vidyanidhi. No. Chi, not this. Silk nikalo. Not cotton or jute. Silk. So everything was Parama Bhogi. Everything was just extravagantly vain about Pundarik Vidyanidhi. Vaishnava Samaje iha kehna hi jane. O Shri Mukunda Datta Ojha Tara Tattva Jane. Haribol. In the entire Vaishnava Samaj of Navadvip, no one knew Pundarik Vidyanidhi. He had no devotee contacts. He was not in any devotee WhatsApp group. Nothing. Nobody knew him. No devotee knew him. Only one devotee knew him. Who? Shri Mukunda Datta. Why? Because he was also from Chhattigram. Gawala. Old connection. He knew because he was from the same village. Vidyanidhi Agamana Janiya Gosai. Vidyanidhi Agamana Janiya Gosai. Je Ananda Hilataha Taharanta Nai. Shri Pundarik Vidyanidhi has come to Navadvip. When Mukunda Datta Gosai came to know, there was no limit to his joy. He was elated. Oh, Pundarik Vidyanidhi has come from Chhattigram. Kona Vaishnava re Prabhu na kahe bhangiya. Pundarika ashe na vishnai praya haiya. Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to know that Pundarik Vidyanidhi has come. He is Antaryami, he is the Supreme Lord. But even Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did not reveal to anybody in Navadvip that Sri Pundarik Vidyanidhi has arrived. Hari Bol. So Pundarik Vidyanidhi continued to live Vishayi Praya, as if he's a Vishayi, he's a sense gratifier. Mukundera Bada Priya Pandit Gadadhara. Oh, Ekanta Mukunda Taro Sange Anuchara. Only other than Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, only Mukunda Datta knew that Pundarik Vidyanidhi has come, and Pundarik Vidyanidhi has come. Nobody else knew. Mukunda Datta knew because he was from the same village. Now, Mukunda Datta's best friend was Sri Pandit Gadadhar. Who was the best friend of Mukunda Datta? Shri Gadadhar Pandit, who is Panchatattva. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shrivas Adi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Mukunda Bada Priya Pandit Gadadhar. Gadadhar Pandit was very dear to Mukunda Datta. Ekanta Mukunda Tara Sange Anuchar. And both of them had very intimate friendship. Many times they would spend hours together, just two of them, Mukunda and Gadadhar. So now when Mukunda came to know that Pundarik Vidyanidhi is in town, he's a great devotee. Guess what Mukunda Datta did? Gadadhara Pandita Shunah Samadhane Vaishnava Dekhite Jevancha Tumi Mane. One day, Sri Mukunda Datta went to Sri Gadadhar Pandit and said, Gadadhar, you are very fond of meeting nice, sincere Vaishnavas, correct? Gadadhar Pandit said, yes, yes. Okay, now listen carefully. अद्भुत वैष्णव आजी देखब तुम्हारे सेवक करिया जेन स्मरह हमारे. Shri Mukunda Datta told Shri Gadadhar Pandit, today I will show you one adbhut, wonderful Vaishnav. Adbhuta Vaishnav aji dekha ha tumhare. Today I will take you to a first class, top class Vaishnav. And after meeting him, Gadadhar, my only request is, Sevaka Kariya Jana Smaraha Amare. Please always remember me as that servant who introduced you to this great Vaishnav. Please. I am doing it as a service to you, as your dear friend. Today I will introduce you to a very great Vaishnav. My only request is always remember me as that servant who introduced you to this great Vaishnav. Shuni Gadadhara Bada Harishaila. Chalo, chalo. Se Kshane Krishna Bali Dekhite Chalila. When Shri Mukunda Datta told Shri Gadadhar Pandit that I will take you to a wonderful Adbhut Vaishnav today. When do you want to go? What time? Gadadhar Pandit said, now, say Kshane, right now, Subhashya Shigram, why delay? And Krishna Bali, Hare Krishna, let's go. And Gadadhar got up. Let's go right now to meet this Vaishnav that you want to. Dekhite Chalila. They went. Vasiya Achena Vidya Nidhi Mahashaya. Sammukhe Harila Gadadharena Vijaya. So Mukunda Datta took Gadadhar Pandit and took him to the mansion of Pundarik Vidyanidhi. Gadadhar Pandit from his childhood was a very simple brahmachari, very austere. Prabhu, why you are not eating intermittent fasting? Prabhu, why you are not eating Chaturmas? Why you are not eating Purushottam Vrat? Why you are not eating Katyayani Vrat? Always some Vrat going on. Very austere Gadadhar Pandit. He was a brahmachari from his childhood. And he goes to see this Adbhut Vaishnav. Mukunda Datta is going to take me to a top class Vaishnav. And he looks at the house from outside. It's a huge mountain, a huge mansion, fountains, gardens, lawns, servants, manicuring the garden. And then he enters. It's a luxurious mansion. And he goes inside, and there he sees Pundarik Vidyanidhi sitting in his house. Gadadhara Pandita Karila Namaskara. Haribol. Vasaila Asane Karya Puraskara. Shri Gadadhar Pandit entered the house of Pundarik Vidyanidhi and offered namaskar, offered pranam. And Pundarik Vidyanidhi said, oh, sit, sit. Gave him a first class seat. Gadadhar Pandit had never sat on such a luxurious chair before in his life. He, very consciously, self-consciously sat on that chair. And Pundarik Vidyanidhi gave Puraskar. Take this, have that drink, Ruh Afza. प्यास बुझाए, स्वाद भी लाए, हमदर्द का रूह अफ़ज़ा पियो, मस्त। जिज्ञासीला विद्या निधि मुकुंदे रसाने, दीवारामाई हर था तेरा कौन थामे। हरि बोल। Pundarik Vidyanidhi asked Mukunda, who is this Vaishnava? What is his name and which village is he from? Because in Vedic culture, it is considered rude to ask, Aparna Mataji, aapka naam kya hai? It is very rude in the Vedic culture to ask somebody to introduce themselves. It's not first class. You ask somebody else. Gopal, can you tell me who this nice Prabhu is, Brahmachari sitting next to you? Oh, this is Ananda Swarup Prabhu. He's like that, he's like that. So that is the culture. Instead of asking, who are you, Prabhuji? Stand up, introduce us. No, that is not Vedic culture. Actually, many things we do that are not Vedic in New Shrivas Sangam. Now, all of you will go down after a few hours for prasadam. So you'll be standing in line, you'll take a paper plate, stand in line, take different items, rice, rajma, and you'll go. Is there any third item? And then you'll go and sit. But actually, Prabhupada said this is not first class. This is prison culture. In prison, the prisoners go with their plate and they go. This buffet system, we consider it first class. Prabhupada said buffet is third class. It's the prison culture. Vaishnav culture, Vedic culture is Atithi, you sit in Pangat. Sit down nicely, we will serve you. That is first class. You sit, prasadam will come to you. That is first class. So, it is my humble request that someday, Aparna Mataji, we should introduce this in New Shrivas Sangam. The devotees sit in Pangat and we serve them. That is first class. So, he started asking Mukunda Datta, Mukunda, who is this boy with you? Pundarik Vidyanidhi asked. Kiba Nama Ihar, what is his name? And Thake Konogram, which town does he live in? Vishnu Bhakti Tejo Maya Dekhi Kalevara. Haribol. Akriti Prakriti Dui Parama Sundara. Shri Pundarik Vidyanidhi looked at Gadadhar Pandit and said, Mukunda, who is this boy? What is his name? Which village he comes from? Vishnu Bhakti Tejomaya. He has a spiritual effulgence of bhakti. Vishnu Bhakti Tejomaya. He's got a spiritual effulgence. Dekhi Kaleva. His whole body is effulgent with Krishna Bhakti. It takes one to know one. Hare Krishna. Akriti Prakriti. His Akriti means his body, his physique, and Prakriti means his nature, his demeanor. Dui Paramasundar. He has beautiful nature, beautiful demeanor, and he looks very attractive also. He has got external and internal beauty. Pundarik Vidyanidhi is saying this. Mukunda Balena Shri Gadadhar Nama. Haribol. Shishu Haite Samsare Virakta Bhagyavana. Hari Hari. Madhava Mishrera Putra Kahi Vyavahare. Sakala Vaishnava Priti Vasena Vihare. Shri Mukunda Datta is introducing our Shri Gadadhar Pandit to Shri Pundarik Vidyanidhi. He says, Shri Gadadhara Nam, his name is Gadadhar. And from his childhood, he is a renounced brahmachari. He is completely virakta and he is bhagyavan. Bhagyavan means he is interested in Krishna consciousness. He is a great devotee. Madhava Mishra Putra. His father's name is Madhava Mishra. And Sakala Vaishnava Priti. He is very dear to all the Vaishnavas and he loves all the Vaishnavas. What an introduction. This is Gadadhar Pandit, son of Madhav Mishra. From his childhood, is completely renounced and he's Bhagyavan. He's got great interest and taste in Krishna consciousness. He loves all the devotees and all the devotees love him. Haribol. Bhakti pathe rata sangha bhakti rasahite. Oh, shuniya tomara naam aila dekhite. Means Bhakti Pada Rath. Bhakti Patha Rath means he is very devoted to the path of bhakti. This Gadadhar Pandit. He's always doing bhakti, but Shunya Tomara Naam, he heard your name and he came to meet you. Aila dekhi te. Shuni Vidyanidhi Bada Satosha Haila. Oh, Parama Gaurave Sambha Shivare Lagela. After hearing this introduction of Gadadhar Pandit, Pundarik Vidyanidhi was very happy. Oh, he's a great Vishnu Bhakta, he's Virakta, he's very nice. So he became very happy, and Parama Gaurava, with great respect and honor, he started having sambhashan, started having a conversation with Gadadhar Pandit. So Gadadhar Pandit, very good, I'm very happy you came, you're a nice devotee, what a nice introduction. But as he was talking, Gadadhar Pandit could not focus on the conversation because Gadadhar Pandit was supremely distracted by the opulence of Pundarik Vidyanidhi. Vasiya Chena Pundarik Mahashaya Rajaputra Hena Kariya Chena Vijaya. But the way Pundarik Vidyanidhi was sitting on his sofa, he looked like a prince, Rajaputra, Veena Mataji. He looked like prince. He looked like prince. He was sitting on this very luxurious sofa with gaddas on both sides, and he was just looked like such an enjoyer. Divya khatta hingule vitale shobha kare. Divya chandra tapatina pahar upare. The place where Pundarik Vidyanidhi was sitting in his house, please listen carefully. The place where Pundarik Vidyanidhi was sitting in the house was like an altar. He was sitting on the altar like a deity. There were canopies over his head. 3 canopies. And he was sitting on this, what looked like a altar. He was sitting on this big simhasan, and there were people who were serving him drinks in nice glasses. Tahi divya shaya shobhe ati sukshma vase. Pattane tabalisha shobhe chari pashe. First of all, the sofa on which he was sitting, the asan, it was so ornate. It was so luxurious. It was so royal in every way. And then it had this beautiful mattresses and pillows and pillow cover, and his clothes ati shukshma vase. He was wearing clothes that were very, very top quality. You can see this dhoti, you can make out. These are like ordinary clothes. But his clothes were so sukshma, so top quality silk. It is said in those days the weavers in India were so high class. Those weavers would make royal clothes. You could take a Nawari sari and pass it through a finger ring, fold it. It was so fine, so sukshma. Therefore, it says sukshma vas. Very, very, and you can, when you see that fine silk, you can make out, ooh, that is very top class garment. He was wearing garments like that. And the buttons of his kurta, they were not buttons like plastic buttons, gold buttons. Gadadhar Pandit, who lives in Srivasangan, he has never seen anything like this. Even there, Vishnu deity in the temple did not have such luxury. Can you imagine somebody sitting under a canopy like an altar? He's sitting and drinking, and there are people serving him. Gadadhar Pandit was completely, blown away. Bada jhari, chota jhari, guti paach saat. Divya pitalera bata padapana tata. There were 5 or 7 different beverages kept in front of him. And then he was being served by his servants a little bit rose sharbat. Nahi, khas sharbat do. And then he was taking khas sharbat. Orange juice now. Orange juice. There are 5 or 7 beverages and 2 servants on both sides just serving him. And he's sitting and talking with Gadadhar Pandit. Like that. He's drinking. Pakapanaka, he was drinking and talking. Divya alavati tui, shobhe tui pashe. Pana khaya, adhar dekhi, dekhi, hase. Dear devotees, analyze this. He had a Divya alavati. Alavati means a metal container that holds pan. Pan Banaras wala. He had a container that contained different types of pan. And he used to pick out a pan. What is? Gulkand wala. And he would start munching on the pan while talking to Gadadhar Pandit. And his whole mouth became red because of eating pan. Now, Gadadhar Pandit never in his life had seen a human being eat pan because he was only with devotees and devotees don't eat pan. First time, our Gadadhar Pandit, he's so scandalized. He's seeing supposedly a great devotee eating pan after pan with how thandai wala pan though. His whole mouth is full of pan and red. And to top it all, he has a beautiful mirror in front of him. How many of you have seen the Darshanarti in ISKCON temples? When the Darshan, we hold a mirror in front of Radha Krishna to show them how they are looking. There was a servant, Govind Sham Prabhu, who was holding a mirror in front of Pundarik Vidyanidhi, and every now and then while conversing with Gadadhar Pandit, he would look at the mirror, adjust his hair, and see the redness around his mouth and smile. Looking at himself in the mirror, as poor Brahmachari Gadadhar Pandit is looking at this supposedly great Mahabhagavad. पान खाया अधर देखी देखी हाथ से बहुत रेड हो गया ना बहुत रेड थोड़ा शरबत दो फिर से पान. He was just in a very extravagant way enjoying his senses. Divya mayurera pakha lai dui jana Vata shankari te ache de sarva chane. And there were two servants on two sides holding Mayura Pakha, holding a fan made of peacock feathers, just like we have in the temple. We have a peacock feather fan and we have chamar, yak tail fan. There were two servants holding two peacock feather fans and they were fanning Pundarik Vidyanidhi as he's eating pan after pan and drinking beverage after beverage. Chandanera udva pundra tilak pale Gandhera sahita tathi bhagabindu nile. Yes, he had a udva pundra Vaishnav tilak. He did have that. But that was also made of top class chandan. Not some Vrajraj or Radha Kundi. It was top class chandan tilak. And he had gopi dots. And those gopi dots were dipped in kesar, in kasturi, musk, different gandha, different fragrances. बोले हाँ अभी थोड़ा musk का टीका लगाओ. So someone put a musk, someone would come and put musk gopi dots. अभी थोड़ा चंदन लगाओ इधर with चंदन. अभी अगुरु का गंध लगाओ. अभी ये इत्तर लगाओ. अभी वो इत्तर मोगरा लगाओ इधर. So they were putting ittar, different perfume. There was gandha seva being done. As he's talking to Gadadhar Pandit. Ki kahi ba seva kesha bharera samskara Divya gandha amala ki bahina hara. And then he called a servant, oh, get that amalaki tel, that avla tel, but mixed with gandha, mixed with fragrance. Mix some sandalwood fragrance in that and bring that avla tel. And that fragrant oil, kesha samskar, massage my head with that fragrant oil. So one servant comes and massaging his hair with fragrant oil. And then with a comb, nicely combing his hair neatly. And he's looking in the mirror. Idhar thoda comb karo, achhe se. Wo kaan pe aa raha hai. Achhe se. One servant is nicely combing his fragrant hair, which is massaged with fragrant oil. And Gadadhar Pandit, who being a renunciate has never touched oil in his life. It is the regulative principle that sannyasis and virakta brahmacharis, they never touch oil in their life. It's a part of their austerity, tapasya. When winter the skin chaps and we like to put oil. These people don't. Gadadhar Pandit Bichara had never seen oil, and he's seeing fragrant oil. And then servants are combing his long hair. He was shaved, Gadadhar Pandit. And this Pundarik Vidyanidhi has beautiful long black hair that is carefully maintaining by oiling them every day with Aula oil. Bhaktira prabhave deha madana sumana Chenachi ne tarahaya Rajaputra jnana. Srila Vrindavan Das Thakur says, Bhaktira prabhave deha madana saman. Because of the power of his bhakti, he had become very beautiful and effulgent. But Jena Chine, but those who could not understand this, those who considered him to be a materialistic sense gratifier, they thought that he is like some royalty. Rajaputra Jnana. They would think that he is some very, very vain rich man. Dekhiya Vishay Rupa Deva Gadadhara. Oh, Sandeha Vishesha Kichu Janmila Antara. He is Adbhut Vaishnav. He is Adbhut of all people. He is Adbhut Vaishnav. Gadadhar Pandit, look at how he is thinking. He's singing. I have serious doubt. Sandeha. I have serious doubt that this fellow is a very great Vaishnav. I really don't think he's a great Vaishnav. Ajanma Viratta Gadadhar Mahashaya. Vidyanidhi Prati Kichu Janmila Samshaya. Gadadhar Pandit was so used to austerity, simple life, simple living, high thinking. Ajanma Virakta Gadadhar Mahashaya, Vidyanidhi Pratikichu Janmila Samshaya. He developed some serious doubts about this Pundarik Vidyanidhi. Bhalata Vaishnava Sabha Vishayira Vesha Divya Bhoga Divya Vasa Divya Gandha Kesha. Bhalata Vaishnava, this Mukunda said he's a very good Vaishnava, but Sabha Vishayira Vesh, but everything about him is like a materialistic person. Divya Bhog, he eats such opulent food. Divya Vas, look at his clothes. I've never seen such clothes, divine clothes. Divya Gandha, such extraordinary fragrances he's putting on his body, and such maintaining such long hair. It must be taking hours to shampoo those hair and oil them and comb them. It's such a waste of time. How can he be a great devotee? Gadadhar Pandit started developing these doubts. Shuniyata bhala bhakti achilai hane. Achila je bhakti seha Gadadhar shane. Gadadhar Pandit thought, I came here to meet a great devotee, but seeing and associating with this Pundarik Vidyanidhi, I think my bhakti will go away. My bhakti is in danger. Bhuji Gadadhara Chitta Shri Mukundananda. Oh, Vidyanidhi Prakashite Karila Arambha. Seeing that this Gadadhar Pandit is developing some serious doubts about Pundarik Vidyanidhi, Mukunda understood the problem, and he did something that broadcasted, that showed the glorious devotional heart of Sri Pundarik Vidyanidhi. And what Mukunda Datta did to show the bhakti, the devotion of Sri Pundarik Vidyanidhi to Gadadhar Pandit, we shall see tomorrow. Because we are on slide 54, there are 106 slides. So we have 50 more slides. We'll do tomorrow. We are meeting tomorrow. We'll do tomorrow. Jaya Jaya Shri Chaitanya Jaya Nityananda. Oh Jaya Dvaita Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.